Hi, this is Zach here from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some single stocks on Wednesday, the 14th of September. Starting off with Barclay Group, where it looks as though some of the momentum of the post-Brexit rebound is starting to wane. Possible descending price channel rather, heading down towards the £22 zone. That target valid while there's no break back above the May resistance line, and particularly the 10-day moving average at 26.92. On to BT, which has managed to escape the evil clutches of Ofcom mysteriously again and again. But with regard to its Openreach subsidiary, but on the daily chart, we still see the market not happy with the shares. It's grossly underperformed since June and the Brexit vote, when most companies have actually rallied since then. Situation now is we're in a falling trend channel, and really while below that feature from April and below the 10-day moving average of £3.88, the risk is to move down towards the 350 area. You can see that the shares gapped down last week and left an unfilled feature there, which indicates the momentum on the downside starting to accelerate. I've got a viewer request on Tip TV on Conroy Gold. Here it looks quite interesting in the sense that it seems the shares have found the floor of this rising trend channel from December, floor of the channel running towards the 25 pence area. At least while we're above that, we're looking at this as a recovery situation. End of day closed above the 200-day moving average, the black line there, at 28 pence, regarded as a momentum trigger buy opportunity, and that could take the shares up to 50 pence on a 2 to 3 months time frame. Early back below 25 pence on a sustained basis, either a weekly close or longer, would suggest that we are not looking at a decent recovery situation here. On to Fever-Tree Fever-Tree Holdings. Here we've got the breakout that the shares have managed since the early part of the summer, holding above the 50-day moving average, and really while above that at £8.99, we're looking at a target, even after all the gains we've seen, as high as £11. Just want to see an end-of-day close above the 10-day moving average. That's the green line at current levels, just to press home that concept. RSI rebound off the 50 level as well to leave it at 57, a very encouraging development. On to Fresnillo, a bit of a rebound here for the shares so far this week. Rather tentative, but at least it allows you to draw a rising trend channel from the end of June, heading towards the £21 level, and that's valid really while there's no end of day close back below the latest support for the shares, just around the £16 level. On to Glencore, another mining giant. Here we've got even stronger rebound over the last few sessions than at the equivalent at Fresnillo, seeing support for today at £1.78 within this rising trend channel, which has been double tested so far this month. The view is that at least while there's no end of day close back below the initial support there for September around the 175 level. In fact, 171 was the late August support. Down to that area, 170 to 175, one would expect a new leg to the upside and 200 pence plus over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Finishing off with one of the heroes of the small cap area over the last few months, Sound Energy. Massive rises we've seen already for the shares. But it looks as though, even though we've gained a lot already, this best case scenario target here over the next month as high as £1.20, which is the top of this rising June trend channel. This stage, really well back below the 80 to 85 pence level would even begin to cast the rally into doubt, even though the RSI at 90 is very overbought. Any dips towards the 80 pence zone currently regarded as a buying opportunity on a technical basis. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.